Yesterday I was explaining to you about business studies. That is the first lesson, management of business. Okay, yesterday I started with the lesson management of business. So I explained you what is the meaning of business. Okay, management is an art of getting things done through other people. That is, the management is taking the work through somebody else. Okay, management is very essential, whether it is a small or big firm, profit or non-profitable, service or agricultural oriented, whatever it is, management is very, very important. Then I told you about the principles of management. What are the principles? Division of labors. What is the division of labor? Due to the division of labor, it is leading you to specialization. In when you are specialized, the wastages will be less and the profit will be more. Okay, because the people will get specialized in whatever they are doing, and thus their profit will be increased. I told you about the authority, responsibility, discipline of the management. The management takes disciplinary actions. Okay, then I told you unity of command. So unity of command. There I told you about the employee should receive orders from one superior only. There should not be many people to command them. There should be only one superior who will command the employees. Then I told you there is remuneration of personnel. That is to give the paid salary, that which should satisfy the employers. The employees should be satisfied with the salary whatever they are getting, and thus the profit also they will increase due to the satisfaction. Then I told you about the equity. All the laborers should be treated equally. Then I told you stability of security to personal security. We should give security to the employees. Employees should get stability, that is security. Then I told you initiative. They should encourage the laborers. They should encourage the employers by appreciating them. Then what will happen? They will increase the profit. The interest will be more. Okay, so they will be satisfied with what the management is dealing with them, and thus their profit also will increase. And now next I am going. Also I told you about the functional areas, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating and controlling. Above all, everything, controlling is very, very important. For a management, it has to be controlled by the manager. The manager should be capable of controlling the things, okay, to achieve the increase of the overall efficiency of the organization. Controlling is very, very important. Okay, now next I am going to explain to you about decision making process. In general, you will know what is decision. Decision means you are apt in your opinion. You should be correct in your opinion. You have to know which decision should I take, which decision should the management take, or which decision the government should take. Okay, that is the process. Decision making can be regarded as the mental process. Mental process resulting in the selection of a course. So many alternatives will be there, but still you should be Okay, so now each business organization has its own goals and objectives. Everything, whichever the firm, the industry, the school, the agriculture, whatever it is, they are having their own goals and objectives. Okay, so in order to achieve these objectives and goals, business organization has to take a decision. Understood? That is only decision making. Okay, so there are number of choices available even in a small matter. Number of choices are available even in a small business or small firm or small office. Okay, so they what? Suppose a businessman, for example, he has to transport certain goods. Okay, whether it is a bulky goods or whether it is a small goods or whatever it is, if a businessman has to transport the goods, what he should do? He has to take a decision. First of all, he should take a decision whether about the mode of transportation that he is deciding. Understood? First of all, he should decide the mode of transportation, whether he can transport the goods in that is through a truck or a tempo or a train or by air. It is left to his decision. He should think properly and take a proper decision in what the goods can be carried away. Understood? He has to think. Okay, so many alternatives are there. So many alternatives like truck is there. I told you tempo is there, train is there, aeroplane is there. Among all the alternatives, he has to choose. He has to think regarding the capital investment also, the time also. Okay, he has to think properly and then decide as to what the goods can be carried away, by which mode of transport. You understand? So, he should suit the best suited one. That is decision. He has to take a proper decision in what he can select. So many alternatives. Among the alternatives, he has to select the best one. Understood? So it is based on the decision which the businessman has taken. I think by now you have understood decision means what? Is it? In your family also your father, mother will be there. They will sit together and decide to what? They will take a prompt decision to which school the children should be admitted. So many schools are there. Is it? So many. But among the alternatives, they will sit and decide and select the best school. Understood? That is only decision making, decision process. So in management, decision is very, very important. Without decision, you cannot select the things regarding the production, supply, distribution, the mode of transport, the way of resources, which resources you are using. All that things should be decided among the businessman or the manager or the firm or the sole trading or the group trading. Whatever it is, they have to decide. Okay? So, today, India, as you all know, it is very diverse set of a successful business institution. There are so many diverse, different types of institutions are there in India. Is it? So, in the country, in the coming years, India will probably deliver more premium to the combination of institutional planning. So, now I will tell you, decision making can be broadly divided into two groups, that is individual decision. What is that? It is individual decision and next it is group decision. Okay? Individual decision and group decision. Individual means what? Individual means what? Solo. Individual alone. He is the boss. He is all in all. Okay, in small business organization like sole trading concern, it is the individual who takes the decision. Maybe he will be the owner. business, sole trading concern. There the individual can take the decision. They are called individual decision. These decisions are based on the capability of the individual. The capability, whatever the manager, he should be capable in advising, or he should be capable in taking an apt decision. Okay, what time the thing should be carried on, what type of system should be carried on, what method should be carried on, in what amount it should be carried on, how much should be produced, for whom it should be produced, what quantity it should be produced, or what quality it has to be produced. He is having the right. The individual person, he is having a right. That is only called as individual decision. Okay. Next I am talking about the group decision. Group decision means it is the case of partnership. Group decision means it is partners. In one company there will be so many partners. Okay. They will sit in the board of meetings, board of directors. Okay. Board of directors, and they will take the decision. They will sit in a board of meeting in a committee, and each and everybody will give their opinion, and if it is okay, if the problem is okay, then only the decision will be accepted. That is group decision. The people will give their different opinion. Okay, people will give their different opinion. A number of people take part in taking a decision. Number of people. There I told you, individual means he is only the soul. He is only the individual. But here, group decision should be taken. One person's decision is not accepted. Okay, when everybody will accept that, then only this decision will be successful, or they can move with the further things. You understand, children? Simple, it is simple. When you understand it in a simple logic, this logic, individual means solo. Okay, suppose in your house, who will take a decision? Maybe your father or your mother. So you will tell father is the head of the family, so father will take the decision. But when I am talking about the country, group decision. The members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, whatever it is, parliament people, they sit together, they make a board meeting, and then only they will start a decision. So just like that, here also it is the group decision, means a group of people sitting together and they are talking about the matters, whatever it is, regarding the supply, demand, production, profit, loss. They should be ready to face the profit as well as the loss. Okay, they should take the responsibility. The people, group of people, they should take up responsibility in the case of profit as well as in the case of loss. Understood? So that is only group decision. So next, important elements of decision making. When you are taking a decision, there are certain elements also. Establishing goal. Establishing goal means whoever the businessman is doing the business in the sake of getting the profit only. That's it. They are not just doing for time pass. Business people, they are having the establishing goal. They are having the goal that they should achieve the target. They should see the maximum profit. That will be the main aim of the business people. Those who are concerned in business, they always will give priority for their profits. So that is only establishing goal. Next it is searching for alternatives. So in decision making, they have to search the alternatives. Alternatives means what? Suppose in summer season, lot of cool drinks and other things. All of the cool drinks, only that they prefer. Okay, so alternatives for cool drinks. Maybe if it is not cool drinks like Fanta, it may be Coca-Cola, or if it is not a Coca-Cola, it may be a Fruity or Fanta, whatever it is. So the alternative choice. Alternative, they will make it a choice. Alternatively searching. Instead of that, what will be okay, we will drink hot water. Simple in a family, is it? If no coffee or tea, okay, they will manage with drinking hot water, is it? So that here we are thinking of the searching of the electricity also. Same with the electricity. Electricity, that is using the solar energy. Okay, that way they are using the electricity. Alternative use, coal instead of coal, instead of fuel, instead of diesel, petrol. Okay, so that is the alternative search. Next it is rational thinking and reasoning. What? Next, evaluation. Evaluation means what? Correction. You are correcting. Sometimes the decision may be wrong. Sometimes whatever you take the decision, next time you will change your decision. Evaluation. You are correcting your decision. Then defining task. Whatever task, whatever product, whatever it is produced, you are defining the task. Then developing plan, day by day, or monthly wise, or yearly wise, you are changing your plans. Maybe in the quality, or in the quantity, or in the mode of transport, whatever it is, you are changing your, developing your plans. Okay, developing your plan and situation. According to the situation, you are changing your product. When it is in a colder places, you cannot afford for the cool drinks and other things. Hot drinks like hot tea, coffee, tea. Is it? All the things that you can do in alternative according to the situation. Okay, according to that, if you change the product quality or quantity, then you will become you will change your, you will become, the situation will be changed. According to the situation, you are changing. Okay, decision making, it solves many of the problems in the business. Decision making, it will solve many of the problems while an appropriate decision. Appropriate means a decision which is taken in the correct way that can lead you to profit. If the decision whichever you are taking is wrong, that will lead you to loss. Okay, in studies also, if you take a decision, make up your mind and study, that time it will be a profit for you. If you neglect your study, then you will lose, you will be the loser. Okay, in management, in business also, same thing. The business people will take a proper decision which will lead them to profit. The gain, they will achieve their goal. Okay, they will achieve their goal. Whatever their input, whatever the capitals are invested, it will be double. If the decision, whatever they are taken, is not correct, if their choice, whatever they are choosing, is not proper, then that will lead them to loss. Okay, so that is why decision making is very, very important in the management of business. Understood? Whenever you are taking a decision, think and they have to take the management, the government, the policy maker, the field, whatever it is. So they have to take an apt decision. Okay. Now decision making, the following points are to be kept in mind. A businessman always should have certain elements or certain things, features that he should have in mind while taking decision. Time factor. You should see the time factor. At what time the production can be produced. So that he can give the guarantee to the people. Then it is wise decision. Whatever decision is taking, that he should take a decision. Maybe price, regarding price. If we will put the higher price, whatever the price, the demand will be less. If the price is satisfying the customers, it will give him the profit. Okay, that is the wise decision. Whatever decision is taking, it should be good. It should satisfy the customers, the consumers. The people who are using that are called as consumers. Okay, in the first lesson, natural resources I explained to you. So, the people who are consuming that should be satisfied and the demand will be more. When the demand will be more, the supply will be more. Okay, why? The production will be also more because he is taking a right decision. Okay, because of that, the production will be more, the supply will be more, the demand will be more. Next, it is boldness. Whatever product is releasing, they Okay, that is the experienced person. Okay, they are selecting the experienced person. When an experienced person will be recruited, then what will be? The profit will be more instead of wastage. A newly trainee will come and he will waste the thing. So there also he should take a prompt decision. Okay, next it is firmness. He should be very strict in whatever he is doing. The next, he should be very strong in taking a decision. Strong in taking a decision means like when he is getting profit he is happy, but when he is getting the loss, he should not leave the firm and run away. He should be in a position to stand it again, to bring it again, to restore it again. Okay, he should restore it again. So that is only firmness. The next it is clarity. He should know the clarity means what? Clearance. Clearance of all the product what he has manufactured. So solving a problem is directly linked with decision. Whatever problems you are solving, that is directly linked with the decision you are taken. The decision whatever they are taken, that should be very, very exact. That should be the correct decision at what time is taking, at what situation he is taking. Okay, that is the thing he has to decide and take a decision. The following factors are to be kept in mind while taking decision. Secondly, analyzing the problem. He has to think what is the problem. Then you should find the solution for the problem. Okay, how much the production should be there. If production is so much, how much you should reduce the price. What are the problems that people are facing. So you should go in deep. You should understand the problems of the thing, problems of the people. Then only you can decide. Next, planning of course of action. Then maintaining courage and patience. You should have patience and courage in doing whatever the production is doing. Then ability to take quick and wise decision. Quick decision he has to take. Suppose something is getting lost. For that he has to find alternatives where he can stand up again in the business. This is all the businessman tactics. By recruiting the laborers, more laborers you will recruit. And by satisfying the laborers. When once you will satisfy the laborers, that means the laborers will be interested in doing the work and so they will increase the profit. Whatever things they are manufacturing, they will increase it instead of wastages. Understood? So in the beginning only I told the managing or the manager, he should give the work, he should divide the work among the division of labor. He should be remunerate. You should give the correct salary to the people. Then you should give security. In organized and unorganized sectors, you have differences. Organized, it is governed by the government. They have to take complete decision by the government. Whereas the unorganized sector, they are only the boss. They are not giving guarantee for the employees. Whereas your government job is given guarantee. They are giving all the medical facilities, whatever it is. So here it is also concerned with that, like that only. The managing should be responsible. They should give some security to the employees. Understood, children? So now I think so by now you have understood what is the management of business. In business, what are the They are quick in responding. But I don't think so. This seriousness is with you, especially 9th standard and 10th standard. This is the time where you can achieve your goal. You can do some of the achievements. You can be thorough in your studies. Up to date you can be. By the time you come to school, when the school will open at that time, you will be thorough with the lessons, and after that the teachers will continue with the further studies, further lessons. So I think so from today, the 9th standard children will view all the videos. WhatsApp, you immediately open My Xavier High School WhatsApp and see which is the new loaded one, and you respond to that. You respond to that, and then today I will be sending you the complete notes of this lesson, management of business. Yesterday already I have sent you the lesson, that is natural resources. 9th standard I have sent you the notes for the natural resources, and nobody has responded telling that ma'am has completed the notes. Okay, from today I should see how many of you have completed the notes. Each and everything I should get it, so that I will know how many of you are interested in studies, or how many of you are writing the notes, or how many of you are listening to the teacher's explanation. Understood, children? Don't waste your time. It's your time. Time is so precious. I know you all are safe in the house. Safe in the sense, read your books. Okay, that will be safe. I think you will do that. Okay? Thank you, children.